Here, we are going to show you how migrate Windows Live Mail to IMAP emails. It is going to be easier than you think. Let's start by downloading PC.s Windows Live Mail Converter on our machines. Now, go to the Open tab and see the list, Software Support Mini Email Client in file format. Now, go to the Open tab and choose Windows Live Mail Accounts. If you have Windows Live Mail email client configured on a machine, click on Open Configured Windows Live Mail Data Files. Otherwise, select Choose from a folder option. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. You can hide system folders during conversion. It is done by running the application on a Windows computer and click on Compact option. It also hides subfolders to facilitate the conversion. Now, tap on the Any Windows Live Mail mailbox for the data preview. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. Please choose the required Windows Live Mail folder. This way you can preview the Windows Live Mail email message with all the properties and the elements such as email's properties, signature, sender information and more. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. The Export tab gives you multiple options to save email message into standard formats. And Extract tab helps you to take out email addresses, attachments, phone number and more from the emails. Select IMAP option from the Export option list. Then, mark the required folder and unmark the rest. Now, let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next is an include email header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. The last one is appended to default folders. This option is basically for the mapping of the folders such as inbox to inbox, sent to sent and more. It allows user to insert emails into default mail folders. Now, enter the name of the folder that you want to create an IMAP account containing Thunderbird emails in the Backup Folder Name tab. Then, fill the email address, password, of the IMAP account. Fill the server address and port number of your IMAP account. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live conversion of emails. After some time, a complete conversion message pop-ups on your screen as shown in the video. Finally, go to your IMAP account. You will see a folder named as Exported. Tap on it and get the Windows Live Mail's emails with all properties. That's all for this video. We hope you understand how to view and migrate Thunderbird to IMAP account. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.